Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can delete My Eyes Only in Snapchat without knowing the passcode. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. First, you need to open your Snapchat application. From there you need to tap on this icon where you will find Camera Roll Dreams. If you scroll to the right, you will find My Eyes Only. So here, once you tap on that one, it will need the passcode to enter, but you forget the passcode and now you want to delete the snaps or video that you have in My Eyes Only. So how are you going to delete it? All you need to do is to tap on this option at the bottom, and from here you need to tap on Forgot Passcode, and here you need to enter the Snapchat password, not the My Eyes Only passcode. So you need to enter your Snapchat password here. So once you enter the password, all you need to do is to tap on next, and it will bring you here. And they say when you forget your passcode, you can no longer access My Eyes Only. So the one thing you can do is to create a new passcode, but you will lose everything. So you actually wanted to delete everything on My Eyes Only. So all you need to do is to tap on I understand and then tap on continue, and you will have the option to reset your passcode. Once you do reset your passcode, all the data on My Eyes Only will be deleted and there will be no snaps, no videos anymore in My Eyes Only. So this is one way that you can delete it without knowing your passcode. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.